Want to learn programming but don't know where to start? In 2025, it's not just about picking a language. It's about knowing what actually matters to companies. In this video, I'll give you the complete roadmap step by step, even if you're starting from zero. Let's go. Hi everyone, I'm Varsha and this is Invent Your Plates, where I break down programming, placement prep, and everything about hackathons. So if you're just getting into tech, this channel is completely built for you. Make sure to subscribe, we have got a lot coming. Alright, let's start with the big question. What do companies actually look for in beginner programmers? It's not just syntax or how many LeetCode questions you have solved. They care about three main things. 1. Can you solve problems logically? 2. Can you actually build something useful? And 3. Are you constantly learning and improving? Projects, GitHub activity, internships, and little DSA. This thing shows that you are more than just a textbook learner. And that's exactly what tech companies want. Let's break down the roadmap. Starting from the very beginning, step 1 is to learn the basics. Start with HTML and CSS to understand how websites are built. Then pick up a beginner friendly language. I recommend Python or C, depending on whether you are aiming for development or deeper logic building. Don't just watch loads of tutorials, write your own code, experiment, and try to build your basics strong. Step 2. Start building project. Simple ones at first. Try things like a calculator app, a to-do list, or a landing page for a product idea. Projects help you to learn by doing, and they also give you something real to put on your resume and LinkedIn. Step 3. Practice solving coding problems, but go step by step. If you're brand new, begin with HackerRank or CodeChef beginner tracks. Then move on to LeetCode, Codeforces, or GFG. Solve problems regularly. Even 3 questions a week as a beginner is a good start. Over time, you'll get faster. One bonus step, learn Git and GitHub. Every project you build should go on GitHub. It acts like your public portfolio and shows recruiters what you have actually created. And don't worry, it's easier than it sounds. I'll be posting tutorials for this one too. Now, let's talk about what not to do, the common beginner mistakes. First thing, jumping from one language to other every week. Never do that. Stick to one language at first. Second, watching hundreds of tutorials and building nothing. Always build along. 3. Ignoring basics and trying to master advanced algorithms too early. Remember one thing, speed does not matter. What matters is what you have learned through that. Now, the most important thing, how do you plan your learning time? So, if you can give 1 hour a day, here's a 3 month roadmap. Month 1, learn syntax plus build 1 or 2 small projects. Month 2, start learning beginner problems and also GitHub basics. Month 3, mix in DSA and also keep building. So, if weekend only learner, focus on 1 mini project per weekend and that covers up to 4 projects per month. 2 simple tips to stand out. First one, always keep your GitHub updated. Second one, share progress. Make a simple LinkedIn profile and post about your projects. It keeps you motivated. Finally, learning in public makes you accountable and it helps you to grow fast. And so, that's your beginner roadmap in 2025. Whether you're starting in college or switching careers, this is the best time to learn. On Inventive Plates, I'll be posting beginner friendly programming tutorials, placement prep plans, and also the real breakdowns of hackathons. So, if you're ready to build your tech journey, hit the subscribe button, drop a comment if you find this useful, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, let's grow together.